The flame from the stovetop heats the pan and transfers heat from the pan to the water. Conductivity occurs because the water in the pot boils. The heat or flame of the gas stove is producing radiation, which can be felt in the surrounding heat waves. Putting the seasoning packet in chili oil is recommended if you want additional flavors aside from the seasoning packet. The chili oil is a lubrication that will break your food from forming chemical bonds with the pot you're using. When cooking ramen noodles with egg, a chemical reaction takes place, which is an endothermic reaction because the heat is being absorbed, which bakes the noodles. As you already saw, when the ramen noodles were put into the boiling water, eventually a few minutes later the ramen noodles became soft, which is something called a physical change. A physical change is a type of change where the physical properties of matter change. When the water is boiling a lot with the egg and the noodles, we are gonna put the lid on and put it aside for 1 minute to 30 seconds. And now when you open the lid, you can see we have soft ramen noodles with soft eggs, which are well cooked and which will be delicious when you try to eat them. And now you can put it in a bowl any way you like, with the water or without the water. It really depends up to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.